Hello everyone, my name is Vishesh Srivastav, and today uh, it is day 2 of my English speaking practice. And today I am going to tell you a very interesting fact. Uh, so let's begin. So, do you ever think that why in our keyboard, whether it is laptop, PC, or mobile keyboard, the keys order is starting not starting from A, B, C, D, E? Why it is not starting from A, B, C, D, E? Why it is starting from Q? Why A is in second row and E is in first row? Why it happens? Uh, so there is a very interesting story behind it. So mm, uh, about 150 years ago, in 1870, there were typewriters, and the that typewriters have usually keys in order of A, B, C, D, E. So in that typewriters, keys are in order of A, B, C, D, E, and that typewriters are made up of iron, and keys are made up of iron, mechanical keys. So at that time, there were a problem arises due to this. What is that problem? The problem is that because of that order A, B, C, D, E, the speed of the typing of people are very fast. It is so fast that the mm, mechanical keys are destroyed or jam and fixed into each other. So basically, the because of the speed of the typing, the keys are jammed. So uh, that is the problem. So there was a person named Christopher Souls. That it is a he is a person who thought that mm, why we uh, change why we change our typewriter, why we can't do anything else. So they thought that we reduce the speed of typing of people. We do something so that speed of typing of people reduces. People cannot type so fast. So they thought a solution that because of the order of keys A, B, C, D, E, they changed that order A, B, C, D, E. That's why A, B, C, D, E order is not in our laptops and mobile keyboards. So they changed the order, and it works, and it worked. The speed of the people reduces, and their keys were not jammed. So this is the reason why keyboard keys are not in ABCDE order. And mm, there were also an interesting fact that they want to sell the name typewriter. So you noticed the keys of typewriter is in the first row. All keys of typewriter world is in the first row. So that's why the keys A, B, C, D, E are not in order, and the first row contains all the keys of word typewriter. So it is an interesting fact about our keyboard. And hmm, so why so in current time there is not the mechanical keyboards, there is not iron keys. So why we don't change the order? Why we not do ABCDE order now? Because there is no problem of jamming of keys. So because we we are habitual of that keyboards, of that order. That's why we don't change the order of keys in latest keyboards or our mobile keyboards. So that is the reason why we don't change now. Mm, but some keyboards were some keyboards were originated that has some different order. uh, I don't remember their name, but they have some different order keys, but they were flopped. They were not grow, so that's why they are mm, they are not in use in today's laptops or mobiles keyboard. So what do you think that we should change the order of keys or not? So tell me in comment, what do you think about it. So please, thank you, and please support me and share my channel if you like these technical this technical fact. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and also share this channel. Thank you.